A lot of us are working from home these days, and that means lunches from home too. Now, it's easy to forget to eat healthy when we have an entire fridge full of options at our disposal. So today we're going to get some tips on planning healthy lunches for the work week. And who better to talk about healthy meals with than our friend Kendra Peterson from Drizzle Kitchen. Kendra, the temptation is very real to reach for something quick and maybe not so healthy during our work from home days.
We're here to talk about how to prevent that from happening, because you are going to feel a lot better if you have a plan in action, if you have food that is more nourishing rather than just more, comforting, food that's actually going to give you energy and help propel you through the rest of the day.
So Kendra, like any healthy meal, planning is the key to success.
I think it depends on what works for you. So try to do like a shop once, eat twice type of recipe meal planning. If you roast some salmon one day, buy twice the amount so you can have an extra piece for your salad the next day. So if you can start thinking that way, I think these little 3 to 4 day snapshots allow you to go to the grocery store fewer times and also have a good handle on some planning.
How do we keep our lunches from getting boring? Because I know meal after meal, if I keep eating that same chicken, I might be like, I'm gonna grab for the chips.
I love to kind of have a few things that I know I can use in different ways, whether it's a base of a salad and then I can just change, maybe I put shredded chicken instead of salmon.
Can we actually have a more productive afternoon if we eat a healthy lunch?
If you plan, then you can have a nice nourishing meal that has a good fat in it, maybe some protein, fiber. That's gonna give you sustained energy for hours into the afternoon.
I'm really excited about what you're gonna show us today. It's an easy grab and go option. What are we making?
Mason jar salads. We today are making avocado chicken salad. Start by making the avocado crema. I have a little baby food processor, and that's really all the size that you need. So I'm just gonna use half of an avocado, half of a lemon, squeeze that right on top. Do a nice little drizzle of olive oil. Start with just a little bit of water. You can always add more water if you need. A nice big pinch of salt. Just throw it in a bowl, and we're gonna mix the chicken right in there.
Now the exciting part, we get to put it all together in the mason jar.
We are going to put that avocado chicken salad on the very bottom. The trick about mason jar salads is you wanna put any sort of liquid or wet ingredient on the very bottom. On top of this, cut grape tomatoes. On top of that, we're gonna add our arugula. Seal it up. Your lunch tomorrow is now ready.
Not only did it look very easy, it looks pretty and delicious. So I think what we need to remember is it's important not to fall into bad lunch habits, and planning can go a long way.
You can make multiple of these salads at one time, full of nutrition. It's gonna be the great thing to get you through the week.
Such a great healthy lunch option. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We want to hear from you guys. What is your go-to healthy lunch option? Just tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. So if you like this video and want more Living Healthy, just subscribe to our channel.